Hi, my name is Arbor, and today I'm going to be joined by Avery, and we are going to be talking about the topic of what is his favorite video game and why does he like
Well, my favorite video game is Slime Rancher. It's a very it's a very nice relaxed game where you have to raise slimes to make money. But it goes really quickly and there are all sorts of slimes to find. There are all sorts of slimes to find, and you could even experiment with slime science. Makes the game so much fun just to play when I'm relaxing and just back home. Yeah.
any other interesting games that you like?
Well, I also like Fortnite, a game where you drop down an island with 99 other people, and you have to gather weapons and fight to be the last one standing. And there are plenty of different mechanics, from landing locations to what you end up looting to building. Oh, those build battles are so fun. Well, that's about all I can say from Fortnite.
Okay, thank you, Avery. Cut. Oh, cut. Did I do that right?